After cooking, mukbang. So ngayon guys, nagluto ako ng pansit. So this is our family's favorite too. Sa isa sa mga Filipino food ay pansit at adobo. Welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer. So ngayon guys, nagluto ako ng noodles. Pansit guys. Pansit siya guys. Ito ang isa sa mga favorito ng pamilya. Pansit and adobo, they like that. Yung black peppered beef, they like that one too. Sweet and sour fish, salmon fish, gusto rin nila yan. So ayan ang apat na favorito na naluto ko sa aking pamilya na Filipino food. So ito siya, one of this Filipino food na niluto ko ngayon ay si noodles. Si pansit guys. So ito ang ating snacks or hapunan na siya dahil after school ko ito siya naluto eh. Masarap ang ating pansit. What I did is I soaked my vermicelli with very hot water, yung boil na boil for maybe 10 to 20 minutes. And then I cook my vegetable first. After I cook my vegetables, I set it aside, but be sure do not overcook your vegetables and season it very good. Like I add garlic salt, bell pepper, lagyan ko siya ng hot sauce, nilagyan ko siya ng oyster sauce, and then set it aside. And then next is your meat. Add your garlic or onion and then cook your meat. And then after you cook your meat, of course you have to marinate your meat. Whatever you feel like marinating your meat, guys. If you marinate it with hot sauce, go ahead. Bell pepper, black pepper, garlic salt, and then go ahead. After that, guys, you have to set it aside. And the last is your noodles. Put your soaked noodles in your saucepan, and then in your skillet, and then you have to season it too. I like the brown or the black soy sauce. Ayan siya. Just to color your very pale, rice noodles. So this is how I cook my noodles. So after you cook your noodles, you add again your meat. Put your meat in, put your vegetable in, and then mix. If you need more seasoning, then season, and serve it. So ayan, gusto ng mga anak ko. Filipino food na gusto ng mga anak ko is itong pansit and adobo. Black peppered beef. Oh, yan ang gusto ng mga anak ko. Black peppered with bell peppers. Yun, anong tawag niyan? So yan ang pinakamasarap na gusto ng anak ko. If they like sweet and sour sauce too for fish. Gusto nila si pansit and they have to add hot sauce. Pero nilagyan ko na siya ng hot sauce. Sa akin naman seasoning, I add garlic salt, black pepper, and my hot sauce siya, sriracha sauce. Nilagyan ko siya ng oyster sauce. So ayan lang siya. Adjust the seasoning and if tama na siya, you're good. Basta i-separate niyo lahat guys. Huwag ninyong i-mix lahat ng vegetable and then add with a lot of water just to luto sa noodles. No, hindi ako ganyan. Soak your noodles, cook your vegetables, set it aside, cook your meat, set it aside, and then last is the soaked noodles, cook it, and then season it, and add your vegetables, add your meat, and that's your pansit. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you. Filipino drink, cocoa juice. But this is not made in the Philippines. It's like agua de coco. Maybe this is made from other countries. Well, of course, we're not Spanish. So made in California. Well, made in California, but it says agua de coco. Cheers!